Hey guys, today let's learn how to use or how to fix the check-in it is not available on the iOS 17 software. So if you are trying to use the check-in feature and the specific check-in feature is actually not available on your iPhones, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to use this and how to fix this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to tap on the settings application, and I want you guys to make sure that you are using the latest version of iOS. So tap on your general tabs, and I want you to tap on software update, wait for this to load. Basically make sure that you have the latest version of iOS. As you see, our iOS 17 is actually up to date. What we need to do from here is to actually proceed again to the iMessage. So you got to make sure that your iMessage is actually enabled. So all we need to do this is to tap on our messaging settings, and once here you got to make sure that your iMessage is enabled on your device. Basically, once you've already done so, the next step or the next option that we could actually do is to proceed with, of course, checking our mobile data. So if you have some issues with your Wi-Fi, you could actually try your mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. Basically, from there, all we need to do next, lastly, to fix this problem is to basically have our location services enabled. So tap on your location services and make sure that it is actually turned on. And you could also proceed with having your share your location turned on. Make sure these features are actually turned on so that you're not going to have issues with your check-in feature. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did, and take care.